welcome to my channel and welcome to my bathroom. Today I decided to put 2 curling irons to the test, kind of. One wand and one waver. The reason I decided to do this was because I generally curl my hair with a wand, but I wanted to reduce the amount of time it takes, and I thought the waver might cut some of that time out. So today I'm putting that to the test. I have my phone to set for a timer. I have my Revlon waver and this Pro Beauty Tools wand, okay? And so my hair is completely dry. I already have it sectioned out, and we're gonna put them to the test. But if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and click that notification bell. You'll be notified every week of my newest uploads. So let's get started. First, let me get a timer ready. Clock. Stopwatch. Now I hope the audio and everything is okay here. I want to make sure that we're timing everything correctly. So I have this set to, I can't do the same temperature. The Revlon waver has 1 to 30 on the dial back here, and this Pro Tools one has temperatures 300 to 430. So I have mine set at about, I don't know, 380, 390. Probably should use a lower temperature, but I don't follow the rules. So I'm going to keep this tied up, and I'm going to section the top half up. And so I'm dividing it into 2 sections and doing the bottom and the top. When I time on the other side, I will also have it pre-divided before I turn a timer on. Okay, so let's do that now. And here we go. I'm holding each curl for 20 seconds. I'm counting it in my head. Okay, 3 strands. Let's do the top now. It'll probably be about another 3. I don't know if I can grab as much hair with the waver as I do with the wand. Admittedly, I usually hold it for 30 seconds, but well, we're doing it for 20 today and it's still working, so less heat. Okay, and time off. We're at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And I usually finish it off with my Garnier Fruity Style Flexible Control Hairspray. I use the Stronghold 2. So this one right here. And I kind of let it sit before I break up any of the curls. All right, so as I did with the other one, I will divide it in half, or as close to in half as I can. Okay, for the waver, I think I'm holding it for 5 seconds. I don't know. We'll do this together and figure it out. Oh, timer. Reset. Start. I almost burned my ear off the first time. probably thinking, how does it take this person 2.5 minutes to do one side? Well, it's because I have almost no hair. All right. Okay, so this one took me 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Now, there was a learning curve for me to use that one. The other one I've been using for years, so I have the flow on how, sorry, let me spray these curls. I know the flow, like I know how to move the iron around, like I'm used to that. The waver is newer. Admittedly, I've used it once before. I didn't feel it was any faster, but also maybe because of the learning curve. Wave-wise or curl-wise, let me brush some of these out. The curls are very different. These are like tendrils and flowy, and these are definitely beach wave type of curls. So they're also very different. And so I think that I like both of them for different things. I can't imagine that I would stick to the waver for my everyday curls. I think I much prefer my wand, the curls in the side. I feel like I like the volume that it gives versus this. I just rolled out of bed. Look, this looks like I put effort into it. But I guess it's your own, you know, whatever floats your boat, right? I will link the Revlon waver down below. I purchased it recently off of Amazon. I'll try to look for the other one, so in case you're interested, you can see which one I bought. But I've had my wand for years now. Thank you so much for watching this hair video. My past few videos have all been makeup related because the bulk of my channel will be makeup related, but also some lifestyle and other areas of beauty, hair included. I hope you like this style of video. I invite you to leave some feedback down below. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, did it echo, do you like the backdrop, things like that. So I know if you also like hair videos. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, now would be the time to do so. Also like and share this video. Ring that notification bell so you'll be notified weekly of my uploads. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.